Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be using my dehydrator again. I'm going to be doing orange slices and I'm going to dehydrate them, but before I do that I'm going to put a little chocolate on there and some chopped nuts, and they come out super crispy, delicious, so sweet. It is a great snack. So let me show you what's going on. So I saw this recipe in my inbox yesterday morning from the Healthy Life YouTube channel, and I said, oh my gosh, that looks so good. My neighbor had just given me some oranges off their tree, so timing was perfect. So we're just gonna slice these up using my handy dandy mandolin, and I'm just gonna cut the tip off here. You want them fairly thin. I'm gonna use my guard. I'll just make some slices, hopefully, yes. So you want them fairly thin, like this, and we're going to just dehydrate them, rind and all, and you'll be able to eat the rind. It's amazing. It all just comes out so sweet. So then we just put them on our little dehydrator rack. So I'm going to finish slicing these, and then I'm going to show you how we do the chocolate sauce. So we've got our oranges all sliced up. Now we're just going to make a quick little chocolate sauce. And we're just going to use some cacao powder, some maple syrup, and a little water. And that is it. So we'll put some of this cacao powder in here. Maybe like a quarter cup or so. And then about a tablespoon of maple syrup. And then we're just going to whisk this together. And then you're just going to add enough water to get it to the consistency that you want. You don't want it too thin. And it will thicken up a bit as you go along. So here's our chocolate. You can see the consistency. It probably could have been a little thicker, but it'll be just fine. And I'm just going to put a little bit on each one. And if you want to get fancy, you can make a design, but I'm not that fancy. Then I just chopped up some Brazil nuts, which I love. They're super high in selenium, which is so good for you. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on each one. And these are going to go into the dehydrator at 122 degrees for about 22 hours. Just check them after about 20, depending on the thickness and the humidity in your area. Could be longer, could be shorter. So I do have some that I already made, and we'll give those a taste. So these came out really good. Just really crispy. A little crispy. Perfect combo of that sweet orange and the bittersweet of the chocolate. Such a great, satisfying snack. I mean, who needs cookies when you have these? So just, if you have these laying around the house, perfect little snack. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I post a video. Until next time, thank you.